Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So we are at the photo shoot ready. We're doing two different looks. We're doing a nude, shades of nude look, and we're also doing a 2000s look. So I'm excited because at first I was not feeling my outfit, but like after I styled my hair, not this, it's obviously gonna look different, but after I styled my hair, I was like, okay, I can get into it. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for everybody else to get here. I'm shooting with my friend Yasmin and my friend Maya. We're doing like groups and solo shots. I really have to go potty. Okay, you know what, this shit just not about to let me be great. Hold on, gotta put this somewhere. See it? Okay, we're doing singles and group pictures for each category, and Devontae is shooting us. Shout out to him. He is a photographer, so if you're in the Atlanta area and you need a photographer, get at him. After you guys see how good my pictures look, of course. Oh my gosh, I really just hold on, like just hold on, because this crap about to irritate the crap out of me. And watch, I just pulled something else out. Anyways, yeah. I really have to use the restroom, and like nobody's answering and nobody's here, so like I'm gonna pee myself. Is that, I hate when I get the little white marks. Y'all like my press signs? Hold on, y'all like my press signs? French tip is starting to be my stuff. Like, I like French tip. I feel like you can't go wrong with French tip. But okay, so yeah, just gonna be a behind the scenes photo shoot type of video. So I'm just gonna have y'all, you know, of course, in the back, just just watching. So get ready, get set, and let's go. Okay. Oh, change of plans. So I am at the studio, right? They just did a last minute cancel on him, so now we have to go to another studio. It's 20 minutes away from here. The only good thing is it's closer to my house, because this was like an hour away. So I mean, it's a good thing though, because I'm close to my house, but still I'm just like, dang. But so I'm about to go there now. So yeah, see you guys later. We are here. Yasmin! Oh, you're naked. I like it. Oh my god. Your hair is so cute.
And I haven't even shaken it out yet. This is not even
cute though. I'm dead. Girl, this pleather was. Let me not say that on camera. Say hi.
I need to start vlogging on my phone. This fat ass camera.
You can say whatever you want. Whatever you want. Shout yourselves out.
Hell no.
Let me vlog.
I don't even want nobody follow me.
Let me vlog Shawn vlogging.
You said you don't want what? Nobody following you?
Hell no.
Why?
I bet y'all never seen a vlog in a vlog.
A vlog and a vlog. Don't look at my little stand though. This I did, bro. This is that thing that go on your neck.
What?
Because
when you land down in the
yeah.
phone.
Because I didn't feel like buying a tripod, because my tripod is somewhere. Like, I need my tripod back. Yeah. My what's it called? Zakia has it.
I need a tripod and I need a smaller vlogging camera.
Yeah, that's when I'm waiting for the smaller one. So I'm just gonna use my phone today. But yeah, subscribe to her channel. Okay. Subscribe to Maya's channel. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Who, mine? Okay. Tell them what your channel name is.
Same on Instagram.
What
I
is?
have a nip slip. Maya Machiavelli.
Follow her.
MYAMAKAVLI.
Subscribe to her channel. Lit content. You want to say hey to my vlog? You want to say hey to my vlog?
Oh, man. I need a consent to be signed. To be on camera. Huh?
Okay, buddy, you ain't gotta be on it.
We need masks.
I'm about to put mine on. I don't be feeling comfortable.
I don't take no picture with a mask on, so that's alright. I'm dead. They really came to Mexico City at 18. Said, fuck it.
So what happened?
Somebody turned 18.
Where?
In a minute. It had 18 balloons.
Aww.
Like now people have
Inside?
Yeah. No, they just brought the balloons back outside.
Oh no.
We are walking. This is our photographer.
Maybe it's 81.
They ain't no damn 81.
Nobody wants to say hey to my
Wait, you
vlog.
gotta be 21 to get a magic?
Depending on who you know.
Well, they probably got some connections.
I'm about to say depending on who you know. Cause I was,
I know they ain't no damn 81. Turned up no motherfucking magic.
shit, I would be. That's what we doing for my 81st. We came the worst way. Duffel bag boy. Duffel bag boy. I really have to go potty. That's my daughter, Yazzie.
Oh, that push.
Yes, all up in my way and then getting mad at me. Okay, I'll catch you guys later. Because she's a model, and that's how she told me to do it. Like, you put it like right by, well not by him, but like behind him, you'll be looking at him.
I forgot to shave my
Yes.
What order are I thought we were on the same height.
Yeah, no, she's way taller than me right now.
Not that much though.
Okay, we are back. They're playing music, so I'm not gonna record that part. But I'm about to do my hair, so what? 2000s. You saw it? But yeah. Okay, boomerang. I like this blue shirt. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap. What? Yeah, that's fine. Yes, thank you. Are you waiting for us?
Oh, so nice.
I would have just left us. No, he left us. My new favorite twin. Yes. We are done. I had fun today. It was pretty easy. These pictures probably about to look because I was in it, but it's okay. I hate taking pictures. You said what? My bra all the way to my tummy. Watch out. Oh. My bra is literally at my tummy. Okay, you guys be safe. Bye. Oh shit, I almost fell again. Okay, you know what?